lovely, lovely hotel in Medellin, and cab ride was great too. And this morning as we were checking out, we had a little bit of breakfast, not like full breakfast before we left, and the lady asked for our room number, and I've been practicing my numbers in Spanish, and we are in room 806, and I've been trying to say it every morning at breakfast so that when they ask for a room number, I'm like saying it, but I've never successfully done it. And yeah, the really nice concierge guy at the front was like pageant-momming me in the background, like mouthing it, like, you can do it, and it was adorable. Yeah, I liked it a lot. That place was great. So now we're on to
Cartagena.
Yes, and it should be nice and warm, sunny, and hopefully get us feeling back on track.
The cab was 135,000 pesos.
Yeah, I didn't have 35, so we just gave it.
Yeah, we rounded up to 140,000 pesos.
Like pennies though.
Yeah. Well, it's a $3 and something. To,
oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's not huge, but you know, it's a little something.
Yeah.
That equals about 42 something, or
yeah.
like 45, 50 or something like that.
But that's fine. We've been taking the bus into every city, and we're gonna walk to our next hotel, so I think we can afford that. And we got these really cool little books in the airport, and I'm excited to use in our next trip. In Japan, not be confused, it's gonna be Japan, not Colombia. Yeah. Excellent. So let's go find our gate.
Yeah. So. Good start. This is just outside the airport. It's right there. This accommodations, luckily enough, is within a much more reasonable walking distance.
Yeah.
Hopefully, knock on wood, fingers crossed, it's level.
You could still put in a beer here even. Look at buy sandals.
Oh.
I think I might end up buying sandals.
Yeah, me too, actually.
We'll see. Not good.
Okay. It is wonderfully summer hot.
Yeah, it is. I'm glad we're both wearing jeans. At least I didn't wear my tights underneath this time.
Now the rap video I'm working on, Sunny Days. I feel this is the most appropriate climate for said song. That's what's on my mind. Little update. Scenery's gotten slightly more apocalyptic, but still pretty nice. Here we are. Oh, is that a giant trench we have to go around? So we're about to find out.
Shane, you missed the tumbleweed earlier. I look enough like a tumbleweed, eh?
Yeah.
I see the water for the first time!
Oh yeah.
It just appeared under the underpass! Oh my gosh, it looks so wavy and crazy, but
Bondo. James Bondo. Ready?
Hey, you're doing weird stuff.
That's just how I was up.
It is so windy up here, I'm not sure how much of this will be audible, but here's the view from the roof of our place. That out there is the Caribbean. Is it always this windy? I guess we're about to find out, eh? I really like the curly cactus. That seems a little sketchy. Can't wait to get in the water, except that it looks kind of like it'll murder you today. See how much of this that the camera can catch in volume, how much overdubbing I have to do. We got these craft little hoppy APAs, and yeah, we're sitting up by the pool. And there's a delightful pool, and another delightful pool, and some Sean de Paul. Sean de Paul, yes. Yeah, we're going to wait until we can check in at about 3.
That's unfortunate.
Smells good though.
It does smell good.
Got a little sinky area here. Look at that little sinky here behind you.
Yeah.
And there's a little, ooh, there's an emotion shower in there for you.
Yeah. Too different. Yeah, I like the overtop thing. Hopefully there's some pressure, because that could be real nice.
And a little fridge, and then.
Oh, that's super convenient. A bit of a sketchy view, but
A very destroyed plant on our balcony, so that ain't gonna happen.
no porch for us.
No.
I guess they didn't know, you know, the wind's been really crazy.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's not supposed to be like that.
Or maybe it is.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's worth bringing up, because what are they going to do? Throw us in another room, or carry a bunch of dirt and plants through here?
I think it's kind of a little weird here, but it's okay. We'll be fine.
Yeah, oddly enough, I'm fine with it. What is this a closet, or is this another room?
Another room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, so let's get briefly situated and then like go out and find some food because I'm freaking starving.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Cool.
that's a way in, but I guess we'll find out.
Wind and traffic noise!
Yeah, it's a lot. It is a crazy, crazy windy day, which you'll definitely know by the inaudible audio that I'm not using in this moment. The end. Full stop. Gotta film the cool little bird guys. What are you guys about? You're cool about. Heck yeah.
I'm filming you photographing.
Yeah, that's pretty
It's a
cool.
good time.
Our drinks are a strange tomato mixture of soda, spiced tomato, and I got vegetarian tacos, and they're gonna be excellent. What's yours? What's yours about? Yours is fish and spice and taste. Do it. Yeah. Heck yeah! I'm gonna try mine. I'm starving. I felt a little bit weird about filming eating in there because it seemed like it was weird to do, so didn't really do that. I think I barely even filmed the food. That's okay, they're right.
You felt weird about filming?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
Because I don't know, it seemed weird. I just did, okay?
Oh,
That's
we were
how I
the only
felt.
people in there, so I guess we
Yeah.
draw more attention to ourselves than
Yeah.
we already were. By being the sole customers.
It was tasty though.
Yeah.
The food was. I had a vegetarian taco and you had a fish taco. And we had a
It was-
weird thing that tasted like a red eye.
It was a strange, I don't know what English is. The word meaning, ratio. That's the word I'm looking for. It's
Ah.
a strange ratio. There's like a very small room and like 15 staff and 2
Yeah.
customers.
Yeah, that's part of why I felt comfortable.
Yeah, because all eyes are on you.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was, well, not even other than that. That was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all seemed nice.
Okay, I got this. The street's really pretty though. Very pretty. Oh. I don't know what's going on there, but that looks interesting. Anywho, now we're gonna head back to the hotel because it's gonna get dark soon and we don't really want to be out after dark because it's not what you do here. And yeah, but the streets look cool. We're definitely gonna come back here and explore the colorful buildings more tomorrow. Cause like, look at that shit right there. That's excellent. Yeah. It's a beautiful street with the wooden things and the plant things and the wind things, you know. Yeah, I like it. This is definitely like coral formations and stuff in this wall. See? That's so cool. I think the waves go without saying. It is crazy windy. Whew. Stick my feet in the ocean, not the ocean, the Caribbean Sea for the first time. Oh, it's warm. The undertow is great though, wow. It's a very strong undertow. It's super windy today. Wow. I can feel it sucking the sand out from under my feet. Oh, it's wonderful. your beverage?
What up, Internet?
You got a beer?
I'm drinking the cheap one.
You're on the beach. There's a sunset over here. I got my toes out. Oh! You got your beers out. Whoa! The place we're staying is like literally right behind us. This is much better than that.
Yeah, nothing like a beach.
Well, except for maybe like other waterways.
Ain't that a beach?
Life's a beach.